What prevents you from offering similar thing as APR Plus for 91 tunes? This is their insurance thing.
Mm-hmm.
So APR Plus is just simply an aftermarket insurance policy. So, if you have a used car, you can go out to a number of companies and buy insurance towards breakdown or repair of your engine. So APR simply went to one of these insurance companies. Well, supposedly early on, that's what they did. And they would take out an insurance policy every time someone bought an APR Plus tune. And that's why they were like $2,000 instead of whatever, $800. I've heard rumors now, I don't know if this is true, that they no longer take out insurance policies because the whole thing, like, you're really never going to blow your motor up on stage one anyways. They just pocket the money, and then if anything ever happens, they just pay it out. But what the APR Plus does is it covers your factory warranty. All right, so if you have a brand new car and you get a tune, you have the chance of getting TD1 or having the if you blow up your engine, you can't go back to Volkswagen or Audi because they're going to say, well, you had a tune. Mm-hmm. So the APR Plus is an aftermarket auto warranty to cover the factory warranty. And that's why it's like $1,000. It's pretty expensive. Additional on top of the tune. We looked into doing it, and we've literally never had a failure on a stage one. And detuned stage one.
There were, on a right.
And the failure rate's infinitesimally small.
Yeah, we did also hear a number of. Again, this is secondhand, but there's a lot of, with any kind of insurance thing, if it wasn't a supported mod or a authorized modification, say a different intake or intercooler or something like that.
Well, if you read the fine tuning, they can basically decline it. Sorry, if you read the fine print, you can see that they can basically decline it for any reason too. So, I guess our position is you don't need APR Plus, you don't need insurance. You just need to trust that 034 does great calibrations and engineering. You can pay the lower price. If you ever actually have a failure, we have a warranty that covers our products. And we use it so rarely because we cause so few problems that we'd have no trouble doing it if and when it ever happened. So, bottom line, it's just a gimmick. They take advantage of people's fears that something might happen, and they've probably made millions of dollars off of that program. But we could have done it too. I just didn't feel like it was right because we already offer a warranty and we're already a reputable company. We already stand behind our products, so we don't need like Joe Schmuckatelli Insurance to tell you for the pleasure of $1,000+ that your car is safe. It's just not required.
So if that's reliable in 91 stage one, then why not do that? I want to have a peace of mind.
Well, I just explained it. And you can do it too. You can go out and get an insurance policy. You can yourself pay for an aftermarket insurance policy. We just haven't had to do that, and I'm not sure how many tunes APR is selling.
He's following up with what about manufacturer's defects? Engines do fail, but the manufacturer will deny the warranty.
And they would. I can't even think of one instance when that's ever happened.
It's been incredibly not a problem that we've had to.
No, I'll just say it's really, really rare. So again, there is a fear there, but the chance of you needing it is
I mean, if you need 100% assurance that you're going to have a factory warranty, you need to leave everything alone and until the warranty period is up.
Or you can pay one of these aftermarket companies. Mm-hmm. And I did look into it. They still freaking text me like 3 times a week. That I think it wasn't that much. I mean, it was like $800 a year or something like that to cover the factory warranty. You have to make sure you get the right kind though, because some of the aftermarket warranties require that you leave the car stock. So this is a warranty that I'm modifying my car. I want to have additional insurance on top of the factory warranty. That's what you're paying.